Hello everyone. Now what we are going to see is we are going to see the Google Ads. We are going to see how the search results are populated for the Google Ads and what are the elements that are there along with the Google search advertisement that we can have. And we're going to see how we can able to write up a Google search advertisement. What are the parts that are involved and how to get a link from the Google and how we are paying to the Google for the advertisements that we are showing for our website, and we'll be seeing all those in detail. Okay, so right now let us explore Google Ads. Okay, so for the same search term, which is Gulf shops. Okay, so for the same search term, which is Gulf shops, I had received some of the advertisements. As I had already told you, top four is advertisements, and bottom four will be advertisements for the first page, right? And in this advertisement, what are the things that we have? Yes, I think okay, hi Daniel, welcome back. So I think we can go for the hi. I think we can go for the mute option, and whenever required, we can unmute and have the discussion. Okay, so what are the things that we are doing right now is for the Google shops, we receive some four advertisements at the top portion, the first page, and four advertisement in the bottom of the position. So this advertisement will have three elements, basically three elements, and apart from that, it will have a lot of other elements. Okay, so one thing is as it is same in the SEO, we will be having a URL, and we'll be having a title, and we'll be having a description. For a website, these informations will be pulled out from the website and will be shown at the Google search result. And for Google advertisements, these data are configured by ourselves, and from where that those data are populated in the Google search result. Okay, so let me tell you what are the things for this particular advertisement are shown here. So apart from these three elements, we have additional elements. One is this call extension. This call extension is used along with advertisement to show the audience that this is the phone number to reach us. And if it is viewed in mobile, there'll be an option through which they can directly click and make the call. Okay, and apart from that, we have here the call out extensions. So these call out extensions are links in our pages, multiple pages, with the title, which we have some relevant information, which can be of anything. If they are looking for some particular segmented products or something, those kind of informations we can separately create it as a call extension. And these call extensions and call out extensions, so and then I'm sorry, these kind of site out extensions are the ones which are available for the advertisements, which will be shown at the top, and which Google considers that this is highly relevant for the particular search terms. For those advertisements will be shown. Okay, right. So we are going to see how we can able to create a Google advertisement using the platform. The platform name is Google Ads. Okay, so we are going to see how we can able to create a search advertisement through Google platform. So I'm exploring the Google Ads. So in this Google Ads, the first link, which is adsgoogle.com. So this is the one through which we will be through which we will be creating some Google search advertisements, and from where we are going to run the advertisement. Okay, I'm going to give the sign in option.
one question: the outlinks which you were showing before for that golf links, that has to be
Okay,
done on the website, right?
that has to be done on the website.
No, my question was that those outlinks have to be done
Uh-huh.
on the website.
Outlinks, I think you are saying about the backlinks. So backlinks, it has to be, we have to create those backlinks in other websites.
Okay,
Okay then.
backlink only. Okay, that is fine. I have some.
Yes. Okay then. Okay. Okay, so right now I'm into the demo session of the Google advertisement. Usually I used to just give me a minute. Usually I used to use I will be using for the creating. I mean for the demo purpose. Right now, Google Ads. This is a Google Ads platform. Okay, so in this Google Ads, we will be creating a new advertisement, a new Google search advertisement, and this Google Ads platform will have a lot of information to us, like what are the keywords that people are searching for, and what are the devices that we are getting searched. They are into, what are the devices that they are looking into, and from which location they had searched for. So all those elements we'll be getting from this Google Ads platform. Okay, so Google Ads platform, in the Google Ads platform, the Google Ads will be created in a structure, Google Ads structure. So let us explore what how the Google Ad structure will look like, and let us explore what are the elements that we are going to see inside the Google Ads ad structure. Give me a minute. Cool, I can open now. Just a minute. Sharing the screen now. Okay. Hope all can able to view my screen. These are the elements that will be
Yeah.
comprised of Google ad structure. And in this Google ads, we have three elements. One is campaign, and the other one is ad groups, and then we have ads and extensions. Okay. So the campaign, ad groups, and ads are the three things which are essential for Google ads platform, where even a single advertisement or multiple advertisement we have to create within this ad group structure. Okay. So suppose for an example, we can consider this campaign and ad groups and ads extensions something like a folder. Okay. Just give me a minute. And team, I think you can, whenever you require, you can unmute and speak with me. I can feel a mild noise because from the speakers. I'm not sure from where. Anyway, so let me to continue. So campaign is something like the master folder. So in this campaign, we'll be configuring some details, and ad groups are a subfolder which is there inside the campaign folders, and ads and extensions are the things which will be inside the ad groups. Okay. So whatever the configuration that we are going to deploy for the campaign, that will be completely applicable for the ad groups, and whatever the configurations that we are going to deploy for the ad groups, that will be completely applied for the all the ads and extensions that we are going to have inside the ad groups. Okay. So what are these ads and what are the extensions? So ads, you might know what is advertisement. So ads means it is nothing but the title and URL and description that we are going to provide it for the Google, saying that this is the advertisement that we are trying to run. And extensions means these are the things which are associated with the ads, like for an example call option, like for an example site link extension option, and like example site call out extensions. So these are the few extensions which will be associated with the advertisement, which will be shown in the Google search, and by which it is going to help the advertisements to get maximum amount of click through rate and getting a better results. Okay. So these are the two things which will be there inside the ad groups. Okay. So let us see what how we are going to configure these three columns. So when it comes to a generic idea, when we are going to run an advertisement, we will be having a idea like we will be running some advertisement in some particular country, or in some particular state, or in particular some district. Okay. And we will be ready to pay for the Google in some basis. Might be like I have a budget of 4,000, I want to run this advertisement in Google. So that is what the idea we will be having. And we'll be having an idea like we will be having an idea to what to put in the title, and what to give the description, what to give the URL, right? So these are the basic essential things that we will be keeping in our mind to create an advertisement. And for those things will be implemented in various part of this particular blog. So let us say for an example in campaign, so what are the things that we can able to configure? So the campaign is the master data where we will be configuring the location. Okay. Suppose if you are planning to run an advertisement for India, we will be configuring the campaign for India. Okay. So that all the ad groups which are there inside the campaign will be targeting only India. They can't able to target anything away from India. They can't able to target US. They can't able to target UK. If they want to create a separate targeted to UK audience, they have to create a separate campaign. Okay. So the campaign will be configured in the location will be configured in campaign. Then what is the type of the campaign, whether we are going to create a search advertisement, whether we are going to create a display advertisement, or whether we are going to create a smart advertisement, or anything like a app install update advertisement. So these are the advertisement types that we will be configured in campaign. Okay. And apart from this, we will be checking it out like what are the uh, you know optimization, or like what is the objective that we are going to plan for. Are we going to give the Google based on maximum click options? For an example, if we configure a Google advertisement for everyday budget of 150 rupees, so by using this maximize click option, Google will decide how much it can able to it can able to configure for a single click. Like for an example, Google will be charging us for our advertisement based on cost per click, CPC, cost per click. So that means, I'm sorry. So cost per click. So that means whenever someone clicks the particular advertisement, then only we will be paying the Google an X amount of value. Okay. We will not be charged for the advertisements which are going to be shown in the search result. Only if someone clicks the advertisement, we will be making the payment to the Google. So, so when we are going to pay the Google, right? So this maximize clicks is one option, through which we will be paying the Google whenever there is some clicks happens. Suppose when someone clicks the advertisement, we will be paying the Google. That is how we will be paying the Google. So by using this maximize clicks option, we will be configuring the Google that every day I'm looking to spend some. Value of 150 or 200, and from which you giving this maximize clicks options, Google can able to configure what could be the price that can be given for a single click, like it may be 2 rupees or maybe 20 rupees or maybe 30 rupees. This thing will be configured by the Google by itself. If we click the maximize clicks, so that will target to get the maximum amount of clicks within the budget. Okay, that will be the objective when we choose the maximize clicks. And what will happen if we choose enhanced CPC and manual CPC? So enhanced CPC in the sense, we will be giving a basic budget for a particular keyword, okay, in the Google Ads. When someone searches for this when someone makes a search for the when someone searches for the keyword, this enhanced CPC will be configured in such a way that only if so we can able to get a click which will cost around 2 rupee or 3 rupee or 20 rupees for single click, then only the advertisement will be shown. That means enhanced CPC means we will be fixing a maximum amount of cost per click. So one click, if I'm ready to offer max to max of 20 rupees, then Google will not show in a place where some bidding is happening for 25 rupees or 30 rupees. Only in the place where the bidding is going to happen within 20 rupees, those are the places where our advertisement will be shown. So that is what it comes into enhanced CPC. And in this enhanced CPC, suppose if we fix a value which is lower than the advertisement to be shown, and in that case, Google will automatically increase the value of the bidding from 20 to 21, 22, 23, slow and steadily, so that the advertisement will be shown on the particular page. This is what it will happen when we use the enhancer CPC. And when we are going to use a manual CPC, we will be giving the instructions to Google that I would like to spend per click 15 rupees and not more than that. So in that case, whatever happens, Google will show only if there is some place where the advertisement can be shown for the value of 15 rupees. Okay. Daniel, if you mind, can you use your mic option? I'm getting some bus noise right now. That's why.
Okay, I'll put it on this thing.
Sure, sure, sure. Thank you very much. So right now the campaign will have these three elements where we can configure the maximize clicks, enhanced CPC, and manual CPC. And then apart from this clicks option, we can configure the negative keywords. For an example, when people are searching, when our advertisement is showing for some keywords which are not exactly relevant to our advertisement, those places, those keywords we can include in the negative keyword so that the advertisement will not run in those keywords. For an example, like free PDF download, free tools download. So these are the keywords which will be shown, which for which our advertisement might be shown. And in that case, we can take those keywords from the Google Ads platform and we can deploy it in negative keywords so that the campaign will not run for the negative keywords next time. Okay, so these are the configurations that we can do it in campaign, and inside that single campaign we can able to create multiple ad groups. So we can create some 3 or 4 ad groups. In each ad group we can create multiple keywords. Okay, for an example, here I had created something like 3 groups. I had created three advertisement groups, and each ad groups we can able to deploy n number of keywords. Okay, n number of keywords. That means, for an example, I had created group 1, and in this group 1 I had deployed some 100 number of keywords which are related to footwear, and I had created a separate group 2, and in this group 2 I had deployed around 100 number of keywords which are related to purchasing of handbags. And group 3 I had created a lot of keywords which are related to something else, like makeup kit, for an example. Okay, so these are the keyword segments that I can able to create with the groups. Apart from this, I can able to configure how this keyword has to act for me, whether I'm going to use these keywords in a phrase match or exact match or broad match. So what is the difference between these kind of keyword types? So broad match in the sense, when we deploy the keywords, if this anything which any searches which is going to have this keyword present in their search term, for those keywords our advertisement will be shown. Like for an example, buy footwear. So this is the keyword that we have chosen. When people are searching for buy footwear in India, there also our advertisement will be shown. Suppose somebody searches like buy foot slippers in India, then also our advertisement will be shown. So because it is a broad match, so slippers, footwear, everything is relevant keywords, so that it will be shown for all the keyword searches where our advertisement will be shown. Suppose if I choose the phrase match, so the phrase match will say that for an example, buy footwear. So in this phrase match, the phrase match will look for the same words to be available in the the search advertisement, and there is no other additional words. For an example, buy footwear means, if I had included buy footwear, so buy footwear in Bangalore is allowed, but buy slippers in Bangalore is not allowed because we are using the phrase match. Similarly, best to buy footwears, there the advertisement will be running because the phrase match will check for whether the exact phrase is available in the keyword, and if it is available, then the advertisement will be running. So what is exact match? So exact match in the sense, when the keyword is exactly available, when the people are searching exactly, the advertisement will be shown. If they are searching for something relevant and something away from the keyword that we are targeting, there the advertisement will not be shown. Like for an example, I had given the keyword buy footwears. So when people are searching for buy when people are searching for best footwears, it will not be shown. When the people are searching for best footwear, it will not be shown. Exactly when the people are searching for those keyword, the advertisement will be shown. And that is what we will be configuring with the help of exact match. Okay. And apart from that, I can able to configure the individual keyword pricing. Suppose in a few cases, in few keywords, I want to raise the budget to double times, I can able to do that. For other keywords, I want to reduce the budget by 50 percentage, I can able to do that. So these kind of configurations I can able to do in the ad group. And I can have multiple ad groups, and in each ad group I can have multiple advertisements. So what are the things that will be available in the advertisements? So in the advertisement, I'll be having an option to write the title, and I'll be having the option to write the URL, and I will be having the option to write the description, and I'll be giving some multiple lines for the description. And so once it is done, the ads are completed. Okay. So similarly, I can create some extensions like call extensions, call out extensions, and site extensions, even lead generation extensions. So these are the options that I can able to create in the ad segment. And these I can able to create in a I can able to create multiple advertisement using under the same ad group. Okay. And I can able to create some text advertisement and responsive advertisement using this ads and extension options. Okay. So let us see how it is shown in the Google Ads platform. So the same thing will be reflected in the Google Ads platform. Like whatever I had told, the campaigns, ad groups, and ads and extensions. So these are the three things which we will be using in our Google Ads platform. So as I had told you, the campaigns is the master structure. So inside the campaigns, I will be having all the campaigns, whatever I had created. So here I had created some a basic uh, Okay, so here I had created some uh, campaigns which I had created for generating some digital marketing projects globally, and for some of the clients or something. This is used for demo purpose. So I had created some something like campaign in Google advertisement for a landing page for a website. Okay, so whatever the campaigns that I had created will be shown here. And if I want to see what are the groups that are available inside this campaign, I'll be clicking this campaign. So inside this campaign, I can see whatever the groups that has been available. And right now I had created only one group. So that one group is available here. And I want to see what are the keywords that are available inside this ad group. I have to click the ad group so that I can able to see what are the keywords that I had configured in this particular advertisement, in this particular ad group. Like here, we can see there are totally, I had included a lot of keywords here. It may come around 200 to 300 keywords I had deployed here. And I had given a maximum cost per click as 5 rupees. Okay, this is for test purpose. Usually for this value we may not able to get any results. Okay, this is for test purpose. Anyway, so digital marketing services are, these are the keywords that I had deployed. And for these keywords I had given a match type with this, which is phrase match. Okay, I used phrase match. So there are a lot of other things like broad match and exact matches available. So whatever that we feel appropriate for the advertisement, we can able to choose using this match type option. Okay, and along with it we can able to add the negative keyword specifically for this particular group as well. Otherwise we can create a negative keyword completely for our campaign level as well. Okay, so let us see what are the negative keywords that I had added for the campaign level. So this is account level. So I had chosen the campaign. Right now I'm inside the campaign, inside the campaign layout. So inside this campaign, when I check these keywords and negative keywords, I can able to see ads, and the black market reloader URL. So these are the keywords which are not relevant for which I'm looking for. So I had included all these negative keywords in exact match so that when people are searching for this exact keywords, my advertisement will not be shown. Okay, if I want to see what are the search terms that my advertisement has been shown, I have to use the option which is search terms, which is available here. So in this search terms, whatever the search terms that people had searched and the advertisement has been shown, all the details will be available here. Okay, like digital marketing content for digital marketing agency, etc., etc. Through phrase match, I had got this content, like I had given digital marketing agency. So people had searched for content for digital marketing, it had shown. I had given the phrase match, and I had given the like I had given some keywords which is social media agency. So how much do social media agency in Nigeria charge to produce and etc. For this phrase match, this advertisement has been shown. Okay, so exact match what I have, social media marketing agency is the search term that I deployed. For that my advertisement has been shown. So this is how we can able to check it out, like how, what are the search terms my website has been shown for the Google advertisement. And this is these kind of these things like negative keywords and search terms we can able to check it for campaign level, as well as we can check it for the group level as well. So right now let us see what are the advertisements that are inside a group. So for that I have to travel inside the ad group. And once I'm viewing this keywords, I can able to view an option called ads and extensions. If I click this ads and extensions, I can able to see all the advertisements whichever I had created inside the particular ad group, and it will be shown only the advertisements whichever is present inside this ad group. Okay.
Can we see an example of one end ad, how it appears on the screen on the front page?
Yes, Daniel.
Can we see if in this ad
Your voice is breaking. I don't know.
you can hear me? Hello?
I can hear you, but with breaks. Yes, Daniel.
You can hear?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Yes, please.
Okay. No, so ad box, rather the campaign list. Can we see one of the end on the front how the campaign looks?
Okay, okay, okay. I can show you how the campaign
Just
looks
one
in.
pick anyone.
Mhm. Yes, actually.
Just one to be able to just right.
Okay, okay, understood. The campaign structure, how I had explained you in the word, the board, right? So that is a ad structure we for the for the purpose of for the educational purpose or training purpose. In ad groups platform, we could not able to exactly open like a folder, or we can't able to see exactly like how the ad structure we had studied in the board layout. What we can able to do is, this is how we can able to see, and at the final level we can able to view how the advertisement will be looking like. Suppose if we are creating a new campaign and a new advertisement, at that time we can able to check what is the final configuration that we had did, and shall we go for the ad running or not. Once the advertisement is running, we can't able to check it out like a flow, what is the configuration, complete configuration for a website, we can't able to see. But we can able to see how the output will be shown in the website. I mean, in the Google search. Let me to show you. Okay, so this is the place where I will be creating an advertisement. So once the advertisement is created, I can able to view the advertisement in the mobile preview, where I can able to check how the advertisement looks like, and what is the URL that I have given, and what is the description, and what are the call out extensions I had given, and what is the call extension that I had given, and how it will look like when people are searching from desktop. Okay, So these are the things that we can able to check with the help of advertisements. Okay, so let me
So
to yes, Daniel.
these scams which you just see the scams are live, right?
1 minute, give me a minute. Actually, does others can able to hear Daniel's voice properly? Because I'm finding some fluttering while Daniel voice is coming.
No, his voice is cracking.
His voice is cracking. Daniel, I think there is some internet issues. I think your voice is not completely audible for me.
Oh,
Yes, Daniel, what you are trying to say?
now is it? No, I think so.
It's
The ads one pay box, those are live, or was I just filled that kept?
okay. I'm sorry, Daniel. I feel like I'm hearing your voice from Interstellar. I could not able to understand properly. So can you, if it is so important, you can text me in chat. Otherwise, we will be having a doubts
Yeah,
clearing session by end, and I think at that time
yeah,
we can completely discuss. Daniel, you can always interrupt me whenever it is so essential and very crucial. So that
yeah,
you will clarify, and we can have a doubt
yeah.
clarification session after the session as well. Okay. So right now, where I'm looking into is this is how the advertisements will be. This is how the ads will be there inside the groups that we had created. And apart from this ads, what are the extensions? Those things we can able to see from this menu. So in this extensions, we can able to see what is the site link extensions, like what are the call extensions and what is the location extensions that I had given. The what are the call out extensions? These things we can able to check out here, and how many clicks and impressions that we have received through these extensions. Those things we can able to see. Okay, and we will be creating one of the extension with our ad creation option, and we will be identifying how to do that and all those factors. We'll be getting to know on those chapters as well, essentials as well. And this platform is a bit complex, and it's easy to understand, but it will take some time. Like for an example, I'm on the master account level right now, so I can able to see all the campaigns. If I click the advertisements at this level, I can able to see all the advertisements in the campaign, all the advertisements in this account completely. I can able to see. Okay, but suppose if I am inside the campaign and I had chosen a campaign, after that, if I choose any ads or extensions, then I can able to see only the advertisements which are available in that particular campaign. In that particular campaign. Okay, if I have some five groups, all the advertisements which are there in the five groups will be shown. All the extensions of five groups will be shown. If I want to see in much detail, I have to go, in depth into the Google ad groups, and then only I have to check it out. What is the keywords? Okay, done. So this is how the Google Ads platform works. Even if it is we are going to create a single advertisement or multiple advertisement, this is how the Google Ads is going to work on. And the Google Ads platform is something a kind of big platform which will require a lot of time for us to learn. But we had learned the essentials, and right now it is the time that we are going to do a practical session. We are going to do a practical session on how to create a search advertisement, using Google Ads platform, do through a practical through a practical session. And this Google Ads platform, using a Google Ads platform, you can create a search advertisement. At the end of the search advertisement, recently Google had started to implement an option called add your card or add your payment option. So the minimum amount to be added to the Google amount account is 100 rupees, I think. Okay, so if you require, you can add this amount as a Google Ads platform. Otherwise, you can merge your credit card or debit card so that it won't be charged unless you're going to make any unless you're going to make any advertisement campaign started. Otherwise, what we can do is at the end of making the payment, we can put a hold. We can put a hold on the that process, and we can wind up the search advertisement creation process. Okay, all right. So let us do one thing for this online practical session. I request everyone to share their screen using the present now option, so that I can able to lively see how you are creating the advertisement, and if there is any error, I can able to troubleshoot you. So what you can do is you can able to create a separate new tab. So one tab can be the Meet Google, that is online Google platform, and another tab is the tab which we will be using to create the Google advertisement. Okay, so please share your screen. For sharing the screen, I had given you the instruction how to do that. Click the present now option, entire screen, and it will give a pop-up. Select the entire screen and give OK, and your screen will be shared. Okay. So once your screens are shared, let me to start giving the instructions on how to create a Google search advertisement. Hello everyone. So hope you can find the option which is called present now. If you have any difficulties, you can let me know. Okay, so that is great. So I can able to view Arun Karthik Selvaraj screen. I can able to view Samir's screen, and how about Daniel Magyar?
Can you just give me this thing? It will be on the bottom, right? Isn't it?
Yes, it will be yes, Daniel. So it will be available in the bottom, and near the turn on captions, you can able to see a present now option if you are using the laptop.
So you're using laptop, but you see yours, Arun Karthik Selvaraj is presenting. One second.
Oh, is it? Can't you able to see present
Yeah.
now option?
No, there is no present now option here. One second.
No, if you click Arun Karthik Silvaraj presenting, you'll be getting an option called your entire screen, a window, and a Chrome tab.
Your entry, your entry.
Yes.
Share now. Now is it visible?
Yes. I mean Daniel. Yes. Oh, okay. You're asking whether it is visible. No, Daniel. I'm yet to see your screen.
Strange, huh? Maybe back. Share your entire. What should you share? Then choose what you would like to share. Oh, something here also. Okay.
Okay. You select
Okay,
the.
now it is.
Okay. I'm waiting.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yes, Daniel. Now I can able to see your screen. Thank you very much. Okay. So let me know from others. So whose presentation you all are viewing now? Whose presentation is available right now for all the other people? Like for Arun Karthik, whose presentation you are viewing?
I think Daniel.
Daniel. Okay. So how about
Yes.
Samir? So Samir, are you viewing
It is
Daniel's
not
screen?
presenting.
Yeah, it shows Daniel is present.
Okay
Thanks.
then. Okay then. That's great. So
I stop present.
yes, Daniel.
Done. Click that.
Okay. So what happened now? I don't know. Okay. Anyway, Okay, done. So I think in the people option, you can able to see all the members of our team, and you can see one thing with their name, and inside the bracket you can see presenting, and the other thing is without just a general name. Okay. So right now, I plan to assist the screen which is Arun Karthik Silvaraj, and kindly the others please click the option, the icon screen which is nearby Arun Karthik Selvaraj presentation, the icon, so that you can able to view how the screen of Arun Karthik is there. Hope you all can able to view Arun Karthik's screen by clicking the icon which is nearby the Arun Karthik Silvaraj presentation. Hope everyone can able to view the Arun Karthik's presentation now. Okay, so Arun
Yes.
Karthik, have you already created a Google advertisement?
No, I didn't create.
Okay, then okay, done. Okay, so fine. So let us start the session on practical, practically how to create a Google Ads. So I'm
Yeah,
going to
okay.
assist Arun Karthik, and parallelly others can use it as a reference, and parallelly they can create in the new tab the same thing, whatever the instructions that I'm going to provide it to Arun Karthik in your new tab. And wherever if you found some stuck up or something, if you missed out something, ping me in the chat, or you unmute and speak with me so that I will come that to your screen, and I will troubleshoot you. Okay. All right. So Arun Karthik, right now we will do one
Yeah.
thing. Close the
Okay.
tab which you had opened for Google Ads,
Okay.
and create a new tab.
Okay.
Okay. And type the word Google Ads. Everyone, please do the same. Type the word Google Ads in your Google search, and you will be getting Google Ads advertisement. And the first result will be get more customers with easy online advertising. So the first organic result, which is get more customers with easy online advertising. Click the first organic result. Yes, Karthik. Click the first organic result. Done.
Okay.
So right now, everyone will be having a screen which will be showing the Google Ads, intro page. Grow your business with Google Ads. So below that, you can able to see an option called Get Started. There will be an option called Get Started. Click that Get Started option.
It says I'm not a robot. Should I click on that?
Yes, please give your email ID and give I'm not a robot option, and it will log you in. So it had directly logged you in, Karthik.
Yeah, yes. Yeah, I logged in my Gmail account.
Okay. For Daniel, I think I can't see your screen one more time.
But when I do that present sharing, then
Uh-huh.
everybody else is getting to see only my screen. So I cannot
Okay.
understand that. One second.
Okay.
One
That's not a
second.
problem. Even if others are seeing your screen, that's not a problem. They can click the individual person's screen and they can watch it. Not a problem.
Okay, one
It's
minute.
fine. Okay, so still I'm waiting for the screen.
I know it's a
Yes.
little weird.
Okay. Yes, I can see your screen now. Okay, Daniel, you can continue with the process. If you stuck up in some location, just let me know. And okay, so let me to check out the others as well.
You can see the screen now.
Let me check.
I've come to
Yes,
the
Daniel, I can able to see your screen.
yeah, all campaigns. Okay.
Yes. I mean, you had given all campaigns. Okay, anyway. Okay, okay. So right now, few people I think it shows different, and few I think it is showing somewhat different. Uh, this is for Samir. I think. Okay, Samir, please open the tab that you are using in. Yes, other tab where yes for you, right? What you can use is there is an option called switch to expert mode, which is available at the bottom. Yes, so please choose that option. And for Arun Karthik, you
Yep.
can uh, create use the option new campaign. Click new campaign
Okay.
and hold on at this position.
Okay.
And for Daniel, yes, have you opened? Okay, that's great. So
New
here you
campaign.
can create new campaign. Yes, great. Please hold on. Okay, that's great. So everyone is there on the same page right now. Okay, so right now from here, I'm going to guide Arun Karthik Selvaraj, and please do follow the same. Okay, please do follow the same. Uh, Okay, so Arun Karthik Selvaraj, right now what we are viewing
Yeah.
is we can able to create multiple goal-based
Okay.
campaign. So one is sales, leads, website traffic, product and brand
Okay.
awareness, and app promotions. Everything has its own
Okay.
significance. Okay, so right now we are going to create a
Okay.
website. I mean, right now we are going to create a Google advertisement for the website traffic. Okay, so
Oh.
while you are scrolling above the website traffic, you can able to see what are the possible campaigns that we can able to create. One is we can see search advertisements we can create using this website traffic goal, and display advertisement, shopping, and video advertisement. These are the things which we can able to create using this website traffic goal settings. So please choose the option website traffic.
Okay.
So once everyone choose the option website traffic, you can able to see an additional box which will show you search, display, shopping, video, and discovery. Okay, so these are the campaign tabs which are available for the goal setting. What we have chosen as website traffic. Okay, and right now Arun Karthik, please choose the option search from the campaign type. Hope everyone choose the search option in the campaign type. Now you can able to see an option where you can enter a business website. So it will be asking you to select the way you would like to reach your goal. So it will be asking you type a website name. So in this website name, please give the website name that you prefer to. You can give your own company name, or you can give any other website that you prefer to do. So any website name that you can give. So once you had given the website name, scroll down. Okay, hold on. So next, after giving the details on website name, you have to give the continue option. Everyone, please give the continue option. Okay, hold on for a minute. So Daniel, are you done?
No, no, I'm not able to.
Okay,
I'm not able to get that page. I don't know why.
okay. You want some assistance from me, or shall I? You can able to view it.
Now it's come. So here you said select the goal, right?
Yes,
So you said website traffic. Okay.
yes. Website traffic.
Get the right people to visit the website. Campaign types. Okay.
Yes.
Now,
Then you can choose the search option. Yes. After the search option, you can scroll down. You will be getting a select the search option. Choose the search option, Daniel.
search. Yeah. Continue.
Yes, once after you had chosen, it will show you another option. Let us wait. Hope you had clicked the search option.
Yeah.
Please wait. After choosing the
Yeah.
search option, it will show a
Select the
dialog
ways you would
box.
like. Yeah. Your business website. Okay.
Yes, so please enter your business name. After entering the business name, you can
Yeah.
give the continue option.
Okay.
That's great. So Samir is on the same page. That's great.
Actually, I can't find the search option. It says in the
Mhm.
front screen, it
Okay.
says something like, wait, please.
Okay. Can you show
It says
me?
search. Yeah, it says search website. The goal is website traffic, and below that it's campaign name and all. But the search button I can't find.
I mean, this search option you had already configured in the previous page.
Acha, okay. So I'm right.
Yes. Yes, you are on
I'm
the
in the
right page.
general setting.
Yes. For Daniel, I had given that instruction.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay, that's great.
Start tracking. Create a conversion action also. I have to click anything there.
Not required. After entering the website name, you can give the continue
Okay.
option.
Continue.
Okay, I think right now the next page has been, you are on the same page now. So let me go to Arun Karthik's presentation screen. And okay, so Arun Karthik, right now there is an option called campaign name where it has been written as website traffic search tool. Erase that name and give some campaign name for your business. You can give like anything. You can give like traffic advertisement, website click advertisement, or anything that you are looking for. Okay, after that scroll a bit down, hold on. So here you can able to see an option called targeting and audience. So this is the place where you will be configuring which location you want to create an advertisement for. So use the option enter another location. Yes. So in this enter another location, give a narrow region. Otherwise, you can give a pin code. Even if you give your own pin code, it will accept. So that the advertisement will be shown only to that area where the people are coming from that pin code. Okay. So hope everyone might given the pin code or some city where you want to target. For
But
Samir,
what if this is pan India?
yes, I will tell you. For Samir, you can go to your tab. Yes, so in this, you can find the option called enter another location, which is there in the locations column. Enter another location. Below the India, you can see an option called enter another location. In the locations, there are three options. One is all countries and territories. Yes. So in this enter another location, you can give some city name or some pin code. And now I'm viewing Daniel's presentation.
So I've called it website traffic search.
Okay, so Daniel's screen shows new campaign now
This may
automatically
expand the
saved.
reach.
Okay, so yes, Daniel, you are asking something. You can change the campaign name.
One second.
Sure.
Exit guide. I don't know why the guide came. So let's
Okay,
go
you can give leave option so that the guide will be left.
leave.
Yes,
Okay.
done.
Now,
So now in the campaign name, you can give some name.
yeah. Actually, you said enter another location, or
Yes,
I can choose India, right?
yes. Otherwise, you can choose India or any location that you prefer. And now let me to continue. So Arun Karthik, after choosing the location, please scroll down. Scroll down. Now we are in the budget and bidding section. So in the budget and bidding section, we are going to give a budget that we are going to spend each day for Google. So let us right now we will give a value as 150 rupees as a budget, so that we will say Google that I can able to spend a maximum amount of 150 rupees. Done. Hope everyone enter the budget and scroll down. You can able to see in the bidding option where there is an option called set a maximum cost per click bid limit. In the bidding section, you can able to see no yeah, I mean in the biddings section, you can able to see a checkbox which mentions set a maximum cost per click bid limit. There will be a checkbox nearby which has been written as set a maximum cost per click bid limit. So there you can give a value as 20 rupees. 20. Yes. So that the Google will take a maximum of 20 rupees for a single click. Okay. Now scroll down. Hold on. So along with the advertisement, we can create multiple ad extensions. So right now we are going to create one ad extension, and that ad extension we are going to create is the call extension. So everyone can able to see the extension details, side link extensions, call out extensions, and call extensions. So everyone, please click the call extensions option. Okay. So after clicking the call extensions, scroll down and you can able to see an option called scroll down. Karthik, hold on. You can able to see an option called new call extension. Okay, everyone can able to see an option called new call extension. So please click the new call extension option. This will ask you to enter a phone number and ask you to select a country. So Arun Karthik, choose the drop down menu which shows the country, and from there please pick the country. Please pick the country India.
It says new call out extension. That has to be clicked.
Yes, I'm coming. So, Arun Karthik, please enter the phone number that you wish to add to the call extension. Don't give the same number that has been already added. Give something new. This is just for a trial purpose. And I'm going to view Samir's screen right now. Yes, so Samir, right now we are going to create a call extension So scroll down, so we can able to see another extension name with the name as call extensions. Yes, please click the call extensions. Scroll down. Scroll down, Samir. Scroll down. Okay, enough. Hold on. So here you have the option new call extension. Click that one. Done. Choose the country. Give the phone number, and then give the save option. For Daniel, can give the country name and then phone number and save option.
Okay.
For Arun Karthik, scroll down and there is an option called save and continue. Hope everyone is there in the same page. So once you all had created the call extension, there will be an option called save and continue. Just click that option. So Daniel can choose a country and he can enter a phone number and can give the save
Yeah.
option. Or else Daniel can directly enter the phone number and can save option.
I don't know. I think there's some problem with the
Mhm.
connection. It's too
Okay.
slow. So
Okay.
it's not scrolling down also.
Okay. Not a problem, Daniel. So this session will be recorded and will be shared with you, of course. You can
Okay.
try slowly. At the same time, if you felt somewhere stuck up, you can reach out to me through this
Done.
presentation, and we will be finding it out, troubleshooting out. Okay. So right now I'm going to Arun Karthik Selvaraj screen. So Arun Karthik, change the ad group name to some name which you like for your business. Okay. So in the right hand side option, in the get keyword ideas field, there is a website name which you had already mentioned, and below the website name there is a column which is showing as enter your product or service. Okay. So in this enter your product or service, enter your product. For an example, if you are doing some online classes, type it as online classes. If you are doing some sports activity, type it as sports. For golf shops, you can type it as golf shops, or anything which you feel the product will be, which you consider that as a product. So once you typed, give the enter so that you will be getting the keywords which are related to the product that you are selling. So once everyone get this number of relevant keywords, choose the keywords whichever you feel which are relevant for the relevant for your business, and click the keyword so that it will be automatically added to the ad group that we had just recently kept in the left hand side column. So click the Arun Karthik, click all the keywords which you feel relevant for the textile billing application. Let us create some 10 number of keywords, and after that we will move on to the next step. Okay, Arun Karthik, scroll down. Okay, hold on. Okay, so right now we can able to see a option called save and continue. So Arun Karthik, please click the option save and continue. Okay, So everyone had clicked the option which is save and continue, I believe. And right now we are in the page uh, which is showing create ads. So in this create ads, Arun Karthik, there is an option called final URL. There will be an option called final URL, and erase the. I mean, enter the final URL that you want to put into the URL, and hopefully, if it shows with the orange color hyphen mark, complete the URL with typing https colon double slash your website name.com. So in the new text ad, the first option which is final URL. So in this final URL, type the URL that you want to redirect the audience to, and while you are typing the URL, start with HTTPS colon double slash, so that you will be having the secured option, which will take the error away. Okay, so after typing the final URL, there is an option called heading 1. So in the heading 1, the maximum amount of characters which are allowed are 30 numbers. So type some advertisement title that you feel is required for your business, like online classes for kids, something like that, something which will have only 30 maximum number of words. So once it is done, write the heading 2 and then write the heading 3. So the heading 3, heading 1, everything will be mixed up by Google and it will be shown to the audience based on keyword relevancy. So once it is done, then what we can do is we will be finding an option called description 1 and description 2. So this description 1 and 2 will be completely shown in the Google advertisement. So type something which you want the audience to be which you want the audience to read while they are going to see the advertisement for your business. You can write it in any way. For an example, in the description one, I can able to give we are doing online classes for a longer time, and we are into business for some 15 years, and we are educating kids, and at the age of 0 to 16. So all those kind of things you can able to write it in the description one option. And similarly, you can write some more lines in the description too. You can write something about your business, whatever that you feel it is right. And Arun Karthik, you can give the heading 3 as well. So once everyone written the description 1 and description 2, you can go to the next step. Okay, so once everyone had written the description 1 and description 2, scroll down. So scroll down and you can able to see an option called done and create next ad. right? And hope everyone scrolled down completely. Okay, so Arun Karthik, I think, are you creating the new advertisement? Scroll down. It's fine, it's fine. Not to give the done and create next ad, give the save and continue option, which is below that. So for the same to all the other members as well, there will be an option called save and continue. Okay. Suppose if there is any error, please rectify the errors. If you have any doubts in the errors, you can let me know. Okay, hold on for a minute. So hope everyone might click the continue option, and once okay, for this is for Samir. Samir, the error is you had typed as https colon double slash. After that, there is a dot. Please remove that dot, then it will be rectified. Done. Okay, you can give the save and continue option. I think uh, Samir had posted, I had forwarded to the next step as well. Not a problem. So this is for Arun Karthik. So Arun Karthik, there is an option called continue to campaign. Okay, please click that continue to campaign option. That's all. So for Arun Karthik, because you had already added a, payment gateway, so it has been activated. Please go to the campaign level and please pass the campaign. You can go to the campaign with the option which is available at the top. There is an all campaign option will be there. So click the all campaign options, and after clicking the all campaigns, you can able to see the new campaign that we had created, and in that option you can pass the advertisement. Not here. I'm saying you can click the all campaign option which is there at the top near the Google Ads, near the Google Ads, near the Google Ads, right hand side, near the Google Ads. There is an option called all campaigns, loosen traffic ad, billing app. So there is an option called all campaign. Okay, hold on. So let me to say, Arun Karthik, hold on, hold on. Okay, so Arun Karthik, uh, near the Google Ads, you can able to see two all campaigns. One is in the left hand side, which is below the Google Ads, and one is in the right hand side near the Google Ads. Okay, Arun Karthik, just hold on. Okay, move your mouse above the Google Ads. Hold on. Move uh, 3 centimeters from your mouse pointer towards the right. Hold on. Click all campaigns. Exactly. So now we can able to see the campaign which we had created. So there is a green color button kind of icon is there near the loosen traffic ads. So click that green color dot, and there's an option called pause. Click the pause option. Done. So now I'm going to Samir's screen. Okay, for Samir's screen, Samir, we have to add the card detail, or might be something like debit card or some detail in order to complete the advertisement. Okay, but if we do not require to add the billing segment at this point, let us check it out if there is any option below. Please scroll down and let us check it out if there is any option to skip this option. Please scroll down. Okay, so I think Samir, if we want to complete this process, we have to add a credit card or a debit card for an automatic payment. Otherwise, we can use the prepaid option through which we have to add a minimum of 100 rupees. Okay. Suppose if you prefer to add your credit card or debit card, then please fill up this form and go for the next option or submit option. Otherwise, we will do one thing. We will hold at this point, and you can watch Arun Karthik's screen where you can able to see how the campaign has been created, and we will end up from there. Okay, done.
Yeah, I
So,
need to do the prepaid thing. I probably missed a step or something.
oh, is it? Okay, please open the your screen, Samir. Let me to explain you. So, please give your business name. Then please give your credit card or debit card detail for automatic payment. Or if you want to go for prepaid, you can choose the option add credit card debit card drop down box, and from there you can choose the option uh, Google Pay or UPI, so that by which you can able to add through your Google Pay number, or even Paytm also fine. Daniel, I could not able to
Yeah.
hear your voice actually.
You can now.
A bit fluttering. Yes, Daniel.
Because that 100 rupees is like minimum amount, right?
Yes, that the bidding amount that we can give any value, not a problem. I think 72 also we can give. I usually give
Oh,
150 rupees, so it is up to
okay.
us.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, I'm sorry. I think the minimum value is 500 for the Paytm, I think. Otherwise, if you want to add, you have to do using the credit card or debit card.
No, I don't use a card, so I can do it later on. But I'll just do the testing right now.
Sure, sure,
Because
sure.
my Paytm shouldn't be having some money
Okay.
heavy. I'll do it tomorrow.
Okay, then. Okay, that's great.
I'll
That's
just
great.
follow. Yeah.
Sure, then sure. That's great. So let us open Arun Karthik's screen, and so Arun Karthik right now after creating that campaign, After choosing the all campaign option, we can able to see the campaign. So here I had passed the campaign, so otherwise this campaign will start to take amount. So right now we can see the campaign which has been created under the name Lucent Traffic Ad. And if you click inside this Traffic Ad, please click the Lucent Traffic Ad. Please click the Lucent Traffic Ad. Okay, so here you can able to see the ad group which we had created under the name Building App. So please click the Building App ad group. Okay, so here you can able to see all the keywords that we had added, and please click the ads and extension option which is there in the left hand side panel above the landing page. Please choose the ads option. Done. Please scroll down. Here we can able to see what is the advertisement that we had created. That advertisement is present here. Okay, so this is how we had successfully created a search advertisement. And once we activated the campaign, the advertisement will start to run. We will be getting some clicks. We can able to see what is the cost per click and all those data. And our website will be getting a huge amount of traffic through the Google search advertisement. Okay, so this is the very basic of how to create a Google search advertisement. Hope you all understood how to create a search advertisement, through this practical session. And right now, oh no, I think we already missed the break time. Let us do one thing. We will go for a break, and hope we shall assemble back by 4:15. And once we are back, we will see some real data on real case study on Facebook ads, Google ads, and then we will have some tools, and we will have some doubt clarification session, and from there we will wind up for the current day. Okay, all right, thank you very much. Let us meet back in 15 minutes. So that means by 4:15, let us meet back here.